Today I want to talk to you about how I make $2,000 an hour. This is a follow-up to my previous video where I shared how I bought a business for over $2 million using just $24,000 of my own cash. I work 5 hours a month in my business and my take home after paying all the business expenses is around $10,000 a month. You may be wondering, how does one run a real business in just 5 hours a month? My goal when I start a business is to spend as little time as possible in the business once the business is up and running. I spend a lot of my time in the front end putting in place systems that will allow me to work as little as possible on the back end. I leverage other people's time by paying them to do the work for me. I spend less than 5 hours a month working in my real estate business because I've hired a company to manage the business for me. Why spend too much time and money acquiring a new skill if you can pay someone to do it better for less? The management company is responsible for the day-to-day running of the business, including paying bills, hiring employees, and preparing financial reports. My job is to manage the management company, make major decisions about how the business should operate, as well as review the financial reports. The beauty of all this is my job responsibilities can be done from anywhere in the world. This gives me plenty of time to spend with family, as well as think and work on other business ideas. In my opinion, the simplest definition of success is time and financial freedom. Nothing beats doing what you want, when you want, with whom you want. I know that $2,000 an hour is not life-changing money, but it gives me the freedom to do other things with my time. For example, I get to spend time with great people like you here. A few years ago, I had a family matter that required me to move to a different state. The decision to quit my job and move was made easier by the fact that I had a business operating on the side that could pay the bills while I was attending to the family matter. You too can be paid over $2,000 an hour. You only need to find a solution to a problem that many people are willing to pay you money for your solution. Business is that simple, folks. I am in the process of launching a new business right now, and I'm using the same approach of working less by leveraging other people's time and money. I'll share my experience on this new venture on future videos on this channel. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below and how I can be of service to you. If this video helped you, please watch the next one showing on your screen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And remember, there's greatness in you. This is Ken. Stay blessed, my friend.